Who's ready to get the new year started right? And a part of that could be growing a lot of your own food. And who likes free stuff? Yeah, we'll get to that. Who wants to grow a new crop every 7 to 10 days? And have loads of baby greens in just a couple of weeks? Who would like to do that over and over again all year long? You can do it indoors or outdoors. Who's ready to start this year by saving money on the grocery bill? And who's ready to learn the continuous harvest system, where we grow microgreens, baby greens, and leafy greens over and over and over again? And with this little adapter, and you can take some of those baby greens and transplant them into bigger containers, grow them out even more. And with my self-watering adapter, it makes the process almost carefree. You can use common bottles and jars to keep your plants fed for almost the entire grow process. What's better is you can use common bowls and baking dishes that you already have laying around the house. And right now, for New Year's week, all the mason jar adapters are buy one get one free. We usually get backed up when we have a sale like this, so it might take a couple of weeks. But for buy one get one free, it's worth it. I might even throw in some microgreen seeds. Microgreens and baby greens are considered superfoods, and they're really expensive in the grocery stores. With this system, you can grow them for pennies. All you have to do is buy seeds in bulk, consider it part of your grocery bill, and you can have a virtual salad bar in your backyard, porch, balcony, spare room, even basement. And with my self-watering adapter, you're not going to have to worry about taking care of everything several times a day. Most of these, we haven't done anything to the entire growing process. Your plants grow, you harvest, clean them out, start over. And you don't have to do as many as me. Just do a few every couple of days. You'll have an awesome supply of microgreens and baby greens whenever you want. The other fantastic thing is, once you start to build up your seed supply, you have an awesome variety, different looks, smells, and especially taste. Yep, so the mason jar adapters are buy one get one free. No special code. All you have to do is buy one and I'll throw the free one in. You buy 4, I'll throw 4 free in. It's that easy. You want to start the new year off right? Start growing your food like this. You won't regret it. It's going to be a fantastic year. Live to inspire. Keep on growing. Be the change. Happy New Year.